Firearms come in many different shapes and sizes, each designed for a particular role. Some are built for long-range accuracy, while others are designed for mobility and quick handling. Among these designs is the carbine rifle, a compact type of firearm that has played an important role in military history and modern firearm development. In this video, we will explore what carbine rifles are, where they came from, how they work, and why they remain widely used today. The concept of the carbine first appeared several centuries ago. The word itself comes from the French term carabine, which referred to a lighter firearm issued to cavalry troops. During the 1600s and 1700s, soldiers on horseback needed weapons that were easier to carry and handle than long infantry muskets. Standard muskets were often long and heavy, making them awkward to use while riding. Carbines solved this problem by offering a shorter barrel in a more compact design. As firearms technology developed through the 1800s, carbines continued to evolve. Many early carbines were shortened versions of existing rifles, created specifically for cavalry units, scouts, and other troops who required mobility. Lever-action carbines became especially common during this period, particularly in the United States. Weapons like the Winchester carbines were valued for their manageable size and relatively fast rate of fire compared to earlier single-shot rifles. One of the defining characteristics of a carbine is its shorter barrel length compared to a standard rifle. While a full rifle might have a long barrel designed for maximum velocity and range, a carbine sacrifices some of that length in order to improve maneuverability. This makes carbines easier to carry, quicker to aim in tight spaces, and generally more practical for situations where mobility matters.
Despite their shorter size, carbines still operate using the same basic principles as other rifles. Many modern carbines use semi-automatic systems that cycle the action using energy from the fired round, allowing the shooter to fire multiple shots quickly without manually reloading after each shot. Throughout the 20th century, carbines became increasingly important in military service. One well-known example is the M1 Carbine, developed during the Second World War for U.S. troops who needed a lightweight firearm that was easier to carry than the standard infantry rifle. It provided greater range and accuracy than a handgun, while remaining compact enough for support personnel, vehicle crews, and airborne units. In more recent decades, the concept of the carbine has become closely associated with modern military rifles. Many contemporary service rifles are produced in carbine configurations, with shorter barrels and adjustable stocks. The M4 carbine, for example, is a widely recognized variant of the AR-15 platform used by military forces around the world. Its compact size allows soldiers to operate more effectively in vehicles, buildings, and other confined environments. Carbines are not limited to military use. Law enforcement agencies often rely on carbine rifles because they provide greater accuracy and stability than handguns, while remaining easier to handle than long rifles. Civilian shooters also use carbines for sport shooting, hunting certain types of game, and recreational target practice.
Another important variation is the pistol caliber carbine. These firearms use ammunition that is normally associated with handguns, such as 9mm or .45 caliber rounds. Because the ammunition produces less recoil and noise than typical rifle cartridges, pistol caliber carbines can be easier to control and more comfortable for extended shooting sessions. They are often used for training, competition shooting, and recreational purposes. Today, the carbine remains one of the most versatile firearm designs ever created. By combining the portability of smaller weapons with the stability and performance of rifles, carbines offer a practical solution for many different roles. Their continued development reflects the ongoing effort to balance power, accuracy, and mobility in firearm design. From early cavalry weapons carried on horseback to modern military carbines used around the world, these rifles have adapted to changing technology and evolving needs. Their compact design and practical performance have ensured their place in both history and modern use. If you found this explanation helpful, consider subscribing to ExplainForgeHQ and let us know what topics you would like to see explained next.